Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to turn on or off incognito mode for Google Maps on iPhone. If you are worried about your Google Map history, you can also turn on incognito mode. It is like private mode in Safari. When you turn this mode on, Google Maps will not remember your search and other map activities because they are not saved. This will let you use Google Map privately. Incognito in Google Maps offers a measure of privacy. This mode will wipe away traces or the locations you have searched or have been to. This can be especially good idea if you are sharing your iPhone. Sometimes others may see your recent map search history on a car's display when you are using CarPlay if your phone is connected to the car. What happens in incognito mode is that your iPhone will not save anything including your searches or browsing history, but it won't make you invisible and your tracks are not completely hidden. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, open Google Maps on your device and then tap on profile photo and then tap on turn on incognito mode. You will see a notice saying incognito mode turned on, indicating that the mode is activated. You will also see a warning message saying turning on incognito mode in Maps does not affect how your activity is used or saved by internet providers, other apps, voice searches, and other Google services. Tap close to exit this and start using Google Maps. You will note that incognito mode is enabled because there will be a black background line on the top with text saying incognito mode is on. Search bar will also display the incognito mode icon at the top right instead of your profile picture. Lastly, when you want to search for a place, you will see a notification saying when incognito mode is on, your recent activities and searches are not saved. You will stay in this mode until you turn it off. If you want to turn this off, the first way is to tap on the incognito icon, the one that replaces the profile icon. Tap turn off incognito mode button. And the second way to turn it off is to tap the search field and then tap on the turn off incognito mode button. You should do this before searching anything because if you type text, the turn off button disappears. And also you should know that some Google Maps features are not available in incognito mode, and you are done. I hope these solutions will help you to turn on or off incognito mode for Google Maps on iPhone. And also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.